Hello everyone and welcome back to Canadian Drivers. Today we have Fazal. Fazal is going for the G2 test. He has like about an hour, so we're doing another mock test today, but it's going to be totally different. If you saw the video before, Fazal has a video with Alex. We went together, we did the mock test for the highway. And Fazal was doing great, but unfortunately, he went for the road test and he failed. And now, guys, he will tell you what exactly he did and the reason that he failed his road test. Okay, Fazal?
Yeah, it's really unbelievable that I failed, but I'll tell you what happened. I went to Lindsay, it's one of the easiest centers to pass. I drove all the way 2 hours, and Alex was so confident that I'll pass the test. Okay? But it's my fault, wherein I didn't sleep properly the night before. Very important, take good rest. I was not stressed. I love driving. Driving is my flow state. But on that particular day, it was just not my day. So when I was approaching the amber light, it was a traffic intersection. It was a very small intersection. There were no timer running on the side for pedestrian walk. So I couldn't gauge when it was switching from green to amber to red. Because when I was approaching the intersection, I was looking left, right. And by the time I was looking left, right, it changed from green to amber to red. I didn't know what. Like
it was
it
quick.
It just happened so quick, within a matter of like less than a second. And the driving instructor was here, and I just have to not hit the brakes hard because there were a few cars behind me. I just skipped it. It felt like I jumped the signal. I broke a law, but that was not my intention at all, right? So I just felt it was safer to just go through it rather than hit on the brakes. So it's just not my day. All the other things were fine, but because of this mistake, things can happen, right? So one of the unluckiest guy who fails in things.
Let me know when you're ready. Good luck.
I'm gonna keep talking as usual.
On the first street, we're gonna make a right.
I just hope it's my day today. Right, so it's always stop. So approaching always stop. Left right check, signal. Spot check. Nobody. I'm gonna keep going. Speed limit 40.
On the traffic light, you're gonna make a left turn.
Mirror, signal, light speed check. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go in. Yeah. Alright. Have to be more cautious and attentive, Speed limit, I don't see the speed limit, so I'm gonna keep at 50.
Don't forget to change the lane to the right.
Yeah.
Remember, left to the left, and don't forget, okay?
Yeah.
I'm just reminding you because you're going for the test, but that's one of the marks will be taken from you.
Okay.
Change the lane to the left.
Mirror, signal, spot check. So I'm gonna judge. Mirror, rear view mirror check. I'm gonna keep going. It's green, all green, so I'm gonna keep going.
When it's safe, change the lane to the right. Come back to the left.
So I should be wearing comfortable shoes, man. My shoes are not comfortable at all. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Right, so 5, 4, 3, 2, left, right check. Nobody. Speed limit 50, keeping at 53. It's a downhill slope, so left, right check.
Change the lane to the right.
Speed limit 50, so slightly on the brakes so that I'm keeping at the speed limit.
Change the lane to the left.
Mirror signal. Let's go check. Traffic light approaching. Okay. Mirror check. Left, right check. Can I keep going? Speed limit 50, keeping at 49, 50.
Change the lane to the right.
Mirror signal. Blind spot check. Traffic light approaching, red light ahead, preparing to stop. Off the gas, covering the brakes, slowly on the brakes, keeping safe distance. Stopping. Left right check, so yeah. Approaching intersection, right check. Left right check. How easy.
On the traffic light, you're gonna make a left.
Alright, so preparing to turn, lane change, mirror signal, blind spot check. It's green, so halfway I'm going. That's all. Pedestrian check. Yeah. I don't know the speed limit here. It's a crossing, so left right check. I assume it's 40.
On the first street, you're gonna make a right.
Okay. Mirror check. Signal. Mirror. Blind spot check. Nobody. Pedestrian check. Clear. All clear. I'm just gonna keep going. That's all.
Slow down. We're gonna do parallel parking. So let's. This one's wrong. Let's go forward. Make a U-turn over here. U-turn.
Okay.
Keep going straight. And that first car over there, the last car on this line,
Yeah.
we're gonna do parallel parking.
It's the same car size, so I'm gonna align mirror to mirror, keeping safe distance. Okay, mirror to mirror. And now I'm gonna put into reverse. 3/4. Letting it roll. Easy. Coming to the corner. Alright. I'm gonna put into one. Alright. And then letting it roll. Looking at the mirrors, the curb. Yep. I'm gonna put it in park.
When you're ready, continue.
And go back to drive. Brakes off. Indicator. Checking nobody. Stop sign ahead, preparing to stop.
Make a left.
Mirror signal, blind spot check. Stop sign. It's not an always stop sign, so I can creep.
let's go. Yeah.
Okay.
And go straight over here on this side. Yeah, straight. And pull over here, and we're gonna make a 3-point turn.
Okay, I'm gonna pull up here. Not blocking any passages. Okay, right, and then checking. It's all clear. It's a 3-point turn. It's one.
Uh-huh.
No, one. Okay, stop. And then I'm gonna put in 2. Put it in reverse first. Nobody. To go. Okay, fine. I'm gonna try first. 1, 2. Indicator. Yeah, it's all clear.
Make a left turn on the first street.
Okay, stop sign ahead. So indicator, mirror check, blind spot check. So it's a no all way, so I can't creep. Yeah, I'll stop. The car approaching ahead. Creeping, and then left. That's all clear for me. I'm gonna get going.
We're gonna make a left turn on the traffic light.
All right, mirror signal, blind spot check. Merging on the left lane. Red light, so preparing to stop. Make it going. And then I'm gonna get to 40 and then change the lane. Mirror signal, blind spot check. Let the car pass.
What's the speed limit here?
It's 40. 60. Approaching 60. Keeping at 62.
When it's safe, change the lane to the right. Past this intersection, we're gonna turn into the gas station, okay? So there is, after you passing the intersection, right away, you see that Esso gas station?
Yeah.
We're gonna go inside, okay?
Okay, preparing to stop. Left right check. Okay.
Make a right, yeah. And I want you to go and keep going straight and park the car, front parking, not beside the car, just next to it, over here.
So front parking, I just put in there. Easy peasy. Keep the distance. Stop. Now I put it in park and brakes.
And you can turn off the engine. So Fazal, what do you think?
I think I did well, except on a few occasions where I could have been slightly cautious about the speed and then about the traffic lights.
Now, what else? That's it? Do you think that's your end of the test? But do you think that you can improve something more?
I'll find a few quibbles, like when I'm making the 3-point turn, I should put the gear first, and then the steering should be the last. But I think I did the reverse, where I turned first and then went to the gear. That's about it.
That's about it. So you mentioned speed, right? You need to be more cautious on the speed, right? Now, remember, when you made the left turn on the traffic light, accelerate 40, 45, change the lane. I told you to do that. But the second time you did, right? Now, there was a car very close to you when you start looking. So be careful on that. First of all, use the rear view mirror to check. Then you check your blind spot. You kind of start jumping right away to the blind spot, and the car was really close to us. Okay,
so
when you
pass, right? I let him pass anyway.
You let him pass, or you accelerate more, because that speed there was 60 there on that street. Now, on the intersection, you were a little bit hesitating, right? That car was putting the signal. He was making a right turn. You can go at the same time. As long as you're not crossing each other, you can go, okay? The big the problem that I have with you, right? When I give you instructions, you're right away trying to jump and change the lane. So there was one intersection. It was safe to change, but you're not allowed to change the lane 100 meters before and 100 meters after. So what you did, you very close. You were almost on intersection when you changed the lane. That's another thing that this is, some examiners let you go. Some of them, they will fail you just there, okay? So you need to wait 100 meters before, 100 meters after, then you can change the lane. Never change the lane on intersection, okay? Even if you get the instructions, just wait, pass the intersection, then do it, okay? Now, another thing that I want to tell you, so the parallel parking was great, okay? There was no issue, you did okay. Always put the gear first, right? Always gear first. So overall, all these mistakes, what you did right now, hopefully you will not do them on the test, and you're not gonna rush. Other than that, you were talking. Now, when you checking you're saying check left and right, but left you checking, the right is not as visible. So make sure you're moving your head a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay? Do you have any questions to me?
No questions, but how did I do this?
As I said to you, I just give you all the feedback, right? So what do you think?
Pass me?
The only thing, as I said to you, the big thing that you did, you changed the lane on intersection, right? That can fail you, okay? That can fail you. So make sure that you're not doing this on the test, okay? So guys, that's the end of the video. If you would like to see his video, first of all, I will upload on Patreon.
Guys, let me know what you think. And please feel free to drop in the comments if something I missed, Alex missed. You guys can let me know. Yeah, always looking to improve, practice with Alex, and drive safe
and get better. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.